Welcome to Speed Zone, your ultimate destination for discovering the most exciting and luxurious vehicles hitting the roads. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome, a masterpiece that combines Brabus's legendary tuning expertise with the comfort and innovation of a high-end motorhome. This isn't just a recreational vehicle. It's a rolling statement of power, technology, and ultra-luxury designed for those who demand more than just travel. They demand an experience. Asterisk. The exterior of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome immediately commands attention. True to Brabus tradition, the body is sculpted with bold, aerodynamic lines that blend functionality with an unmistakably aggressive stance. The front fascia showcases a signature Brabus grille with a refined blacked-out mesh and the iconic Brabus emblem, flanked by high-intensity LED matrix headlights. The lower bumper integrates adaptive air intakes to improve airflow and efficiency, giving it a performance edge even in a large format. The side profile is equally striking, with flush-mounted retractable steps, carbon fiber accents, and a unique two-tone paint finish that elevates the motorhome's presence. Large, lightweight alloy wheels with custom Brabus branding fill the arches, and the integrated air suspension system subtly lowers the ride height at speed, enhancing stability and fuel efficiency. At the rear, a clean yet purposeful design features LED tail lamps, a subtle spoiler, and a powered tailgate that doubles as an entertainment deck. Every detail of the exterior has been designed not just for aesthetics, but to improve aerodynamics, handling, and energy management. Asterisk. Step inside, and the 2026 Brabus Motorhome feels like entering a private jet on wheels. Brabus has always been known for its bespoke interiors, and this model takes that reputation to the next level. Premium Nappa leather upholstery with contrast stitching covers the seating, while polished carbon fiber and brushed aluminum trims run across the dashboard and walls. Ambient lighting with customizable colors sets the mood, and the expansive panoramic windows bring in natural light while offering privacy with smart glass technology. The lounge area is outfitted with modular seating that can convert into sleeping quarters, and the onboard kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances designed for compact yet luxurious living. The digital cockpit integrates a massive touchscreen infotainment system, complete with Brabus Connect, which allows travelers to control climate, lighting, entertainment, and security systems remotely. Even the driver's area is a showcase of comfort and technology, featuring ergonomic seating, a fully digital instrument cluster, and advanced driver assistance systems for effortless long-distance journeys. Asterisk. Under the hood, or rather beneath its elegant shell, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome delivers performance that is virtually unheard of in the motorhome segment. Powered by a high-output Brabus-tuned V8 hybrid engine, it produces an impressive blend of horsepower and torque, while maintaining remarkable efficiency for its size. This powertrain is mated to a smooth-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission and an intelligent all-wheel drive system, ensuring confident handling on highways, mountain roads, and even light off-road conditions. Acceleration is brisk for a vehicle of this class, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time significantly quicker than traditional motorhomes. Brabus has also integrated a state-of-the-art regenerative braking system, reducing energy waste and extending the range of its hybrid system. Onboard driving modes allow the driver to switch between comfort, sport, and eco, adjusting throttle response, suspension stiffness, and steering feel to match the terrain or mood. Noise insulation is exceptional, meaning the cabin stays quiet, even at higher speeds, making long journeys relaxing and refined. Asterisk. Overall, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is a true benchmark in the luxury RV world. It redefines what a motorhome can be by delivering supercar-inspired styling, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance, all wrapped in the comfort of a mobile 5-star suite. Whether you're exploring scenic highways or parking at exclusive destinations, this motorhome ensures you arrive in style, power, and unmatched luxury. Brabus has once again proven its ability to push boundaries, creating not just a vehicle but a lifestyle on wheels that stands out in a league of its own. Asterisk.